This video tutorial I will explain Kafka Producer Callbacks, and we will write Kafka Producer which will send message to the topic without key. Here you can see Apache Kafka ecosystem. Here you can see Kafka cluster. It has brokers, and each broker has topics. And here you can see Kafka Producer demo application, which is Java application, and it has producer code which will send messages to Kafka topic. And once the message is successfully posted to Kafka topic, the callback method related to producer will be called. In the callback method, we can print the information like in which topic, which partition, and in which offset the message has been stored. In previous videos, we saw how producers send data to Kafka, and we can use callbacks to understand whether data was correctly produced and in which topic, which partition, and in which offset the message has been stored. These information we can get using callbacks. For performing callbacks, we have to implement callback function. Here you can see we are calling send method of producer object and passing producer record and then the callback function. The callback function is on completion, which accept record metadata and exception. And once the message is successfully posted to topic, this method will be called automatically. And from the record metadata, we can get in which topic, which partition, and in which offset the message has been posted in what timestamp. Here you can see Kafka Producer demo application and its folder structure. Here you can see the pom.xml file. In pom.xml file, I have included the dependency of Kafka clients and SL4J. Here I have defined the class Kafka Producer Demo. Here I have defined the topic name as animal topic. Inside main method, I am creating a properties object which is related to producer configuration. Here I am setting bootstrap server config as Kafka server IP address and port number, and key serializer class config and value serializer class config. This all producer configuration I am setting in the properties object. Then I am creating a Kafka producer object using Kafka producer constructor which accept properties. Then I am calling get animal list method. This method returns a list of animal names, and once I get the animal list using for each loop, I am getting each animal name and creating a producer record, then sending that animal name to animal topic. And once animal name is successfully posted to animal topic, this callback function will be called, and from the record metadata I am getting which topic, which partition, which offset, and on what time the particular message has been posted. Now I am going to start Zookeeper server. Zookeeper server has been started. Next I am going to start Kafka server. Kafka server has been started. Next I am going to create animal topic. Animal topic is created successfully. Now I am going to run this Java program. And here you can see the animal name cat is sent to animal topic, and here you can see the topic name, which partition, which offset, and on what timestamp. Like that, here you can see the animal name snake has been sent to animal topic, partition 1, offset 1, and the timestamp. So after publishing each animal name to animal topic, the callback function has been called, and in the callback function we are displaying this information: topic name, partition, offset, and timestamp. You can get Java source code link for each video from the description section of the video. And here you can see the video, and to see the description, click on this more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links, and click on these links to get the Java source code.